Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to give your photo a black and white effect on your Samsung Galaxy device. So the black and white mode is more than just removing colors. Nano AI analyzes the luminance, shadow depth, contrast, midtones, textures, and it creates a rich grayscale conversion that looks professionally edited. So it can increase details in skin, building, landscapes, or clothing, and adjust the mood depending on whether you want a soft vintage vibe or deep dramatic noir style. So the AI ensures that highlights aren't blown out and shadows remain detailed. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. We'll go ahead and add an image, and we'll go ahead and ask it to convert it into a 1950 photo. So I'll go ahead and use this image here. And then I'll go ahead and ask it to create a 1950 image for this. Create me a 1950 image.
Sure, here is the image.
So as I go ahead and scroll down, you'll see that image has been turned into a 1950 image. This is the original. We have all the colors in the dress, while in the new image, you can see that the dress has changed as well into a 1950 style, and you have the photo in black and white. The purse has changed as well from a white purse to a black 1950 purse. So this gives your photo a timeless classic style. This is perfect for portraits, street photography, and documentary shots. This enhances emotional tone and storytelling. It removes color distraction, highlighting shape, phases, and details. So there you go guys, that is how to give the black and white effect on a photo on your Samsung Galaxy device.